All hands up. All, meaning every student, hands are up. All students' hands are up. Hands are up. Clap twice. Alright, awesome. Okay, now I need someone to tell me what. Should I go ahead? Pardon? I need someone to tell me what is a noun. Kayla. You have to speak loud, Kayla. Kayla. You have to speak loud. If I can't hear you, I will refer the question before now. Alright, okay, alright. I need someone to tell me what is a pronoun. Alright. Okay, great. So we know what are nouns. We know what are pronouns. Today we are going to be learning about something else. But before I tell you what the topic is, I am going to put a picture on the board. I want you to look at that picture. Look at it, meaning we are not talking, you're just looking at the picture. And then I am going to ask you some questions about that picture. What are we doing? Who can tell me what are we doing, family? Alright. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Run my hands, Gary. Alright, so at this time I am going to project it. Okay, my get that screen here. Alright, we're not talking. We are just looking at this time. We are just looking. We are just looking at this time. Alright, just look at the picture. I need you to tell me. Just look at the picture. Look at it for a moment. I'm going to ask the questions, but just look at it for a minute. Look at it. I want you to tell me what you see. What you see in it. First, we're doing what you see in it. Tell me what you see. Okay? Alright, now a lot is going on in this picture, and there's a lot of answers that we can get from it. So, tell me, Elizabeth, what do you see? Alright, okay. Okay, alright, the Kai. Alright. What do you see? What do you see, Kevin? Alright, okay. Okima, what do you see? Pardon? Alright, okay. David, what do you see? Okay, alright. Now, I think I got someone from each group. Now let's go to the next component. I want you, we already looked at the picture. I want you to close your eyes now. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Based upon what you saw in this picture, based upon what you know, I want you to tell me what you hear. Take a minute to think about it, to reflect on it, to imagine it. Tell me what you hear. Okay? Alright? Okay, go. Alyssa, your hands is up. So, tell me, based upon your imagination now, because we know it's just a picture. Verbally, what do you hear throughout that picture? What do you hear? Using your imagination. Okay, all right. Terrell, what do you hear? Okay, Terrell has the floor. All right. Taraj. Pardon? All right. Okay. All right. Darren. All right. Okay. Let me choose Christina. All right. Now, again, I want you to look at the picture again. Look at it. Take a minute to look at it. Zion, take a minute. You cannot look at it if your eyes closed. Take a minute to look at it. We're not talking. Close your eyes. And I want you to close your eyes, and we are imagining now, based off what we know, and what we see in the picture. Do you smell anything? What do you smell? What's the familiar smell? Eyes are still closed. Eyes are still closed. What do you smell? What do you smell? All right, okay. Grade 5, hands do not talk. If our hands are up, our mouth should not be moving. If our hands are up, our mouths are not moving. The Kai, what do you smell? Okay, all right. Okima, what do you smell? Pardon? All right. David, what do you smell? Okay, what do you smell? Okay, all right. Interesting. Michaela, what do you smell? Okay. All right. Elizabeth, what do you smell? Okay. All right. Okay. Grade 5. You are only talking once I select you. What do you smell? All right. Okay. Let's go. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm counting, but you're still talking. Everybody, hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Once I start counting, that means we're not talking. Everybody, hands up. Megan, sit up. Everybody, hands up. We are not talking. When I am speaking, you are listening. I will give you a chance to talk, and when you talk, I will listen. Hands down. Okay, now I'm going to move on from that aspect. Based off of the picture, we're able to tell what we see. There's a lot of things going on. Does anyone see the Bahamian flag like I see? Yes. All right, on the sun. We see a lot of the grade 5. We're still listening. We see a lot of different colors, bright colors. We see shapes. We see different objects, and when we hear different sounds. When we smell, we can smell the different scents based on our experiences or based on what we can see in the picture. All right. So now, based on that exercise, who would like to take a guess to figure out what our grammar topic is for today? Bobby? No, that's not it. But thank you for trying. Michaela? Yes, awesome. Today we are going to be learning about adjectives. Today we are going to be learning about adjectives. And we know from prior knowledge, from previous grades, Caleb, we know that adjectives are describing words. That's why I told you to use Basically, we use probably like 4 or 5 of our senses. I didn't say what you tasted. So probably 4 or 5 of our senses. I didn't say feel or I didn't say taste it. So we use our senses to tell us to describe this picture. Now we are going to do another exercise. I am going to pass around a few objects and I want you to examine these objects and describe them. Examine them, describe them within your groups, okay? So it can be a picture, the same way how we describe this picture. I would like you to do that, or it can be an object that you can actually feel. So you will be doing that. So can someone while I get the materials, can someone excuse me? What are we doing? And Michaela has the floor. Okay, all right. Would anyone else like to add? Everyone sit up, please. Sit up, please. If I see another person resting their head when going to get group is going to get a negative. Okay, David. All right. Okay, now. Okay, David, can you repeat it, please? Fanny, didn't hear you. All right, okay. Now I'm going to call the material manager for your group. And some group may have 2 items, some group may just have 1. All right. So material manager for Zebras, come up here. All right, material manager for kangaroos, let's go. Material manager for cheetahs, let's go. Material manager for tigers, let's go. Material manager for lions. Material manager for giraffes. Alright, so you are going to pass around the object in your group and you are going to discuss it. So this object is going in everybody's hand. Whether you have 1 object or 2, each person is going to have a chance to feel it, to see it, to examine it, and you will have 5 minutes to do so. So you make sure your timekeeper is keeping score. Alright, discuss your observation. When you're making observations, you use your senses, use your 5 senses. But we are not, the only sense that we are not using is taste. Nobody should be tasting anything. Nobody should be tasting anything. Do not put your mouth in it. We're passing it around. Ready to let me know what you found Miss Pierre-Louis, step one. Both hands are up. Everybody's hands are up. We're not touching it. Pass it back to the material manager for me, please. Pass it back. Do not throw it. Pass it back. Hands are up. Hands are still up. Great job, Lions. Awesome. Awesome, Seekers. Good job, Cheetahs. Good job, Tigers. Great Kangaroos. Awesome job. All right. Let's go. Cheetahs, we will start with you. You don't have to come to the front. You can just hold up. Bobbly, no, you did not have to use that hold up hand. Pass it back up, please, Bobbly. Thank you. All right, Okima, hold up the picture that you have in your hand. We are listening to the cheetahs. Let's turn our focus to them. She's holding out the picture. All right. Now describe it. What did your group say about this picture? Describe it. It was a group activity, so yes, you know what to say. Okay, Boundary. Okima has the floor. Okima has the floor. I spoke to Okima. All right. Pass the picture. All right, this is the picture that she just had. All right, Okima, we are waiting for you to describe it. Put it away before I take it away, please. We're not playing. You have to speak louder.
It's surrounded with green apples and
Okay, I think you need to stand up because I cannot hear you. Stand up, let's go. To the front of the class. Stand up, let's go. Let's go. All right, Bob, please bring the second object, please. All right, so describe it.
it's surrounded with green apples and it's one
Whatever you have to say about it.
The red apple is red.
Okay, alright. Remember, when we're talking about describing things, when we're making observations, we are using our senses. Alright, you use sight. Now, we can't physically eat that, but using our imagination and what we know about this thing, what can you say about how it tastes or how it feels?
It feels red.
Okay, relative. Okay. All right. Okay. Now next object. Well, we show the class what it is. All right. Now describe it to the classroom, please.
It's blue.
Okay.
It smells.
Okay. All right.
If I taste it, it will taste.
Now we know we don't eat that. But okay. Is there anything else? Is that
Feels.
all right? Okay. Thank you so much. Everybody, give Jesus 2 claps and a hooray! Hooray! Awesome. All right, Tigers, let's go. Bring your objects. Tigers, let's go. Let's make it quickly, no delay. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody, eyes up front. Everybody, eyes on the tigers. Everybody is paying attention to the tigers. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Let's see your object. All right. Okay. Now describe it. Describe it for us, please. Okay. All right. What's that? What's that you have?
Many dinosaurs.
Okay.
This dinosaur is bigger than this dinosaur.
All right. Okay.
And the dinosaurs probably fighting that.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much. Give the tigers 2 claps and a hooray. Hooray! Everybody, 2 claps and a hooray. Hooray! All right. Awesome. Lions, let's go. Lions, your turn. All right, Lions. We are listening. Eyes up front. We are listening. Eyes up front. All right. We'll begin.
It's shaped like a star and it's green. This is a toy where you move it around and it never falls. It's bouncy.
Okay. All right. Is that what you observed? Anything else about it?
It's an astronaut.
Okay. Anything else? What color is it?
The astronaut is blue and black.
All right. Thank you so much. All right. Give the lions 2 claps and a hooray, everybody. All right. Okay. Sorry, the lions were not done yet. You go ahead. Okay.
So I noticed this one talk about the green spice kids that I noticed that it had lines from the top. Vocabulary.
Wow. Vocabulary. Yes.
That this is a point.
Okay. All right. Awesome. In our math vocabulary, she noticed that this is a point. All right. Perfect. Give the lions 2 claps and a hooray.
Hooray!
No, we can do better than What do you feel? Using your imagination, what do you feel? Alright. Alright, what do you smell? Salt. Okay, alright. Anything else about your picture and your sea version?
So underneath the salt water and the eyes are open, they're going to burn.
Very nice. Alright, and that's another. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Everybody give the kangaroos 2 claps and a hooray. Hooray! 2 claps and a hooray, Garen. Alright, okay, zebras, let's go. Alright, zebras have the floor, let's go. Zebras have the floor.
That's a fire we can see. I have a fire and I can.
Let's listen, grade 5.
I have a fire and a scrub. Fire is strong. The fire is very hot. I see some black clouds and I see some orange fire. Come here. That's dark. I know it's scrub and it's lime green. It's a skinny scrub.
Okay, we are listening, grade 5. That's it. Alright. Give the cheetahs, give the zebras 2 claps and a hooray. Hooray! Alright, okay, last but not least, giraffe, let's go. Alright, eyes up front, let's listen, eyes up front. Let's go. Alright, describe your object.
There is a rainbow colored ball, and then there's a blue fidget.
Okay.
Can we please see urchin?
Alright.
I'm not seeing urchin. No, that's a different color. That's the point.
Alright, anything else about your object?
This one, the ball has random colors and that's like decoration for your
Alright, okay, is
and
that
then
it?
the ball is pushed and you squish it.
Alright, okay. Brother's name?
And then this part.
Alright, okay, awesome. That's it? Give the giraffes 2 claps and a hooray.
Hooray!
You can do better than that?
Hooray!
Alright, awesome. So we had our objects, we described them, and this is what adjectives are all about. So we went over the fact that we went over the meaning of nouns and pronouns. We went over the definition of nouns and pronouns, and it is important to know about nouns and pronouns when we are dealing with adjectives, because adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. Roshali, get the light for me, please. Okay. So adjectives are words that describe or give more detail about a noun. And we heard earlier what a noun is. And we said pronoun because, like Bobby said earlier, the pronoun takes the place of a noun. Okay? We We know about nouns, we know about pronouns. So when we are talking about adjectives, we are describing that noun, we are describing that pronoun. Like we just did. We describe certain aspects of it. I told you to make observations. I told you to use your senses so that you will be able to better describe this thing. Now, when we are talking about adjectives, we have to understand what they describe. What do adjectives describe? What's the first thing, Tiana? What's the first thing that adjectives describe? All right. What's the example? All right. So Elizabeth, what is the adjective in that phrase? Pardon? All right. Awesome. Speak louder for me, please. Petros. Thank you. Petros. What's the second thing that adjectives describe? What do adjectives describe? What's the second thing? Loudly. Pardon? I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. I said, what do they describe? Not the phrase. What do you see? Okay, awesome. And what is the sentence, the Kai? What is the phrase, I should say? The phrase. All right. And what is the adjective in that phrase, Megan? Louder, please. I cannot hear you. All right, awesome. Now, Majesty, what is the third thing that adjectives describe? What is the third thing? What do you describe? We had color, we had size, and they describe shape. Awesome. Now, Marissa, what is the phrase? All right, and Terrell, what is that adjective in that phrase? What is the adjective in the phrase? Pardon? We said this, in this aspect, they're talking about shape. Is clock the shape in that phrase? Pardon? All right. Now, what is the fourth one, Darren? What is the fourth one? What do adjectives describe? What is the fourth one? All right. And what is the phrase? What is the phrase, Stephen? What is the phrase for feeding? What example did they give? What example did they give? Speak loud so Cameron can hear you, please. You have to speak loud. Pardon? David, what is he trying to say? All right, Cameron, and what is the adjective in this phrase? All right, now let's go to the next one. What is the fifth one? Megan? Pardon? What is it describing? What is it describing? What is it describing? It's describing? All right, and Caleb, what is the phrase? Pardon? All right, and what is the adjective, Michaela? All right, and last but not least, we have taste, the sweet apple. What is the adjective in that, Tiana? Okay, now let's look further. We have color. So color is basically any color. So if I were to say the gray chair, what is the adjective in that? Gray. All right. So color is basically any color. Whatever color you can think of, it is an adjective. So the adjective describes color. An adjective describes size. Size, whether it's big, small, tiny, gigantic, mini, whatever it tells us about size. the adjective describes size, all right? Now the next thing is shape. Whatever the shape is, whether it's long,
Thin.
round, curved, whatever it is describing the shape, all right? And we have texture. Now texture has to deal with how something feels. So when we talk about texture, we're using our sense of touch. So if we talk about this feels fluffy, sometimes you can see that it feels fluffy, or maybe this feels yes, sharp, or maybe this feels smooth, or maybe this feels rough, or whatever it may be. Cold, yes, okay. And now, taste. Whatever you taste has to deal with our sense of taste. Whatever you can taste. Whether it's sweet, salty, savory, tangy, sour, whatever. Yes, all of that has to deal with adjective. Okay? Alright, now, adjectives also describe people. So, you can use adjectives to describe people. Give me some examples, Valerie. What are some examples? How do adjectives describe people? Okay, alright. We have short. Okay. The friendly teacher helped the students. In this case, what is the adjective, Caleb? If I'm describing someone, or some. Now let's see. The next thing. We can describe things. Alright. So you can use adjectives to describe things. So if I say the bell is loud, what is my adjective in that, Alyssa? Alright. So we're seeing the trend. Whatever is being described, that is most likely our noun or our pronoun. And whatever is describing that thing, that person or animal, that is our adjective. Now, describing places. We can describe places. If we can go to the old store or go to the clean boutique, Larissa, you have an example? Okay, alright, so that the adjective in Larissa's example is what? What is the adjective right here? Alright, the adjective. Library is the noun, remember? Place. Library is the place, right? So that's the noun. The adjective is quiet, like Elizabeth said. Alright, now, so when we talk about adjectives, we have to remember that it describes. That's the key point about adjectives. It has to describe something. It has to describe something. You can think about, if I give you one noun, let's just say Judith P. Thompson is my noun. Give me some adjectives about Judith P. Thompson. Family? Pardon?
Quiet.
Okay. Michaela? Okay. Okay. Any other adjectives? Okay. We're describing the school now. School. Okay. Pardon? Pardon? We're describing the place, not the people in it, the place. So it has, you cannot say playful for a place. Larissa? Okay, so she describes the color. Alright, so we get a drift. Once we have a noun and we have something to describe it, it is considered an adjective. Now before we move on to describing more nouns, let's get a quick brain break in here. So everybody is sitting up straight. No hoods on the head, everybody is sitting up straight. No hoods on the head, everybody is ready to go. If you're ready, clap once. If you're ready, clap twice. All right, let's do this one, this spring break. We'll do it together. Let's go.
Bun, 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 sun, 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 sun. Bun, bun, sun, sun, bun, bun, sun, sun. Cap, 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 cap. Cap, 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 cap. Bun, sun, cap, cap, bun, sun, cap, cap. Cow, 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 fish, 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 fish. Cow, cow, fish, 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 cow, cow. Bear, 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 bite, 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 bite. Bear, bear, bite, 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 bear, bear. Cowfish, bear, bite, cowfish, bear, bite.
Is it hard? Sit on a beat.
Dot, cake, 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 cake. Dot, cake, cake, dot, cake, 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 dot. Ha, 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 cup, 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 cup. Ha, ha, cup, cup, ha, ha, cup, cup. Dot, cake, ha, cup, cup, ha, cake, go. Let's go.
Very hard. I want you to look around and find something to describe. Look around and find something to describe. Look around, find something to describe. All right, I'll choose a few people. Alyssa.
Natural decorations or are decorated with a bunch of lights.
But what is the describing word in that? What is the describing word? Okay, we can come back to you. Elizabeth? Elizabeth? Okay, all right. That's an adjective. Grade 5. Before we move on, let me remind you to please be respectful. If you don't have anything kind to say, do not say anything at all. Okay, Larissa? Okay, all right. Color? All right. Okima?
The cheetah is black, brown, white, yellow, red.
Alright, okay. Again. Hans, grade 5. Hans, grade 5. Tiana. Okay, alright. David. Pardon? That's another describing word. Alright, the tag. We'll take the tag. How is it, what is the describing word though? How do you describe it? Probably you could say a color about the habit. Okay, describing it. All right, Cameron, let's go. Umbrella's name. All right. Okay. So we had some practice describing. And I'm pretty sure we won't be able to get this completed. But let's do one together. We are going to do one on this worksheet together. So we'll have a lot more practice using adjectives. So on this worksheet, you have a wheel. You have 9 wheels. The first one is completed view. There is a noun in the middle of each wheel, and you are going to write an adjective to describe it. Okay? So I am going to pass around the paper, and then we are going to do the second one together. Alright? So as soon as you have a paper, you can write your name on it. As soon as you get a paper, you can write your name on it. We are just writing our names. We are not talking. One way. We are just writing our names. We are not. We are just writing our names. We are not talking. Grade 5. Just the names. No talking. No talking at this time. Alright, once your name is on it, we are going to quickly start. Christina and Vani. Alright, so even though your name is not on as yet, let's go through it so you will understand what you're doing. Okay, so the first one is already done for us. In the first circle, in the middle, we have books. And in each, let's just say, in each pie piece, we have an adjective to describe book. So the first thing we have are books, about books, and exciting. So we have exciting. The next thing we have is imaginative. Next thing we have is thick. Next thing we have is thrilling, and the last thing is educational. Now, whom. Whom is our next one. Let's think about something to describe whom. Alright? Alright, okay. Fun is one. Alright, okay. It's fine. You will have a lot of people have the same thing.
Comfy.
Okay, comfortable, alright. Peaceful, alright. Loud, okay. Okay, relative, so we can get some ideas. Anybody else? Diana? Alright. Megan?
Boring.
Okay, anybody else would like to add? Anything else?
Boring.
Alright. So, we know what we are doing for this activity. At this time, once your name is on it, you can put it away for now, and that is homework. You will complete it for homework. Put it away, put it in your bag. You will complete it for homework. You will complete it for homework. You will complete it for homework, put it away. Everybody up. Let's see which group is going to put it away. Put their work away first. Let's see which group will be ready first. Let's see which group will be ready first.
Wait.
All right, at this time, your desk should be cleared. All right, hand, I need someone, hand. What is an adjective? An adjective. Megan. You have to speak loud so Shadi can hear you. Okay, all right. Suraj, you also the nod. Okay, all right. Just now. Just now. Makila. Okay. All right. I will take that. Now, give me. What can adjectives describe? You're going through a list of things. What can adjectives describe? Modesty. All right. Cameron. Okay. Tayana. Oh, yes. Okay. Someone else. Iman, this is that I said that already. Someone else who haven't answered yet. Anything else? Anything else? Pardon? What can they describe? Pardon? Oh, okay. You started an example. All right. All right. So today we learned about adjectives, and as we are writing, it is important for you to include adjectives in order for your teachers to be able to feel how you felt, smell what you smelled. Smell what you smelled, or taste what you tasted during your Easter break. Use adjectives. Talk about that juicy pizza that was mouth watering, and the pepperonis were just speak about that. All right. So. Okay, the chocolate cake, speak about that. So at this time, thank you so much. We are done with that grammar lesson. We are done. Everybody, your desk should be cleared. Okay, Mom? We are not doing that right now. All desks should be cleared. No one is talking. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No one is talking at this time. Everything should be away. Desk cleared means nothing on the desk. Nothing is on the desk. Let's see which group is ready. Let's see which group is ready. Everyone is sitting up. Everybody is sitting up straight.